Introducing the ColorKey Creator BX7 Wash. The ColorKey Creator BX7 Wash is a versatile BI luminaire powered by 7 40-watt RGBW LEDs. At its core, the BX7 functions as a high-output RGBW wash light, delivering vibrant, even color coverage across a wide zoom range. With zoom fully wide, it gives a lush, soft wash perfect for bathing the stage or audience in color. Individual pixel control of each LED segment combined with infinite rotation of the front lens cluster creates a mesmerizing flow or kaleidoscope-style effect that adds motion and depth to your lighting look. When zoomed in tight, the BX7 acts more like a beam effect, where the individual pixels produce crisp, concentrated rays that can spin, chase, or dance independently. As part of the Creator series, the BX7 Wash sports a multicolor halo around the edge of the beam, which synchronizes with other Creator fixtures and includes pre-programmed chases and patterns, ensuring seamless integration and visual consistency across your Creator setup. Frame set position control mode is designed to keep the light beams from going where you don't want them, like the back wall or your audience's eyes. Designed for events and permanent installs alike, all ColorKey Creator series fixtures feature quick-release brackets and PowerCon power linking to simplify setup and teardown. A heavy-duty flight case is also available separately. Create unforgettable shows with the Creator BX7 Wash from ColorKey. Ask for it at your favorite lighting retailer today. Visit us at colorkeyled.com for more information, and be sure to subscribe to this channel for up-to-date information on new ColorKey product releases.